Let me ask you a question. Would you ever buy a house and not get insurance? Of course not. That would be absurd. So you understand that protecting your most valuable asset is just as important as acquiring it. And yet in crypto, thousands of people get this wrong every single day. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share a simple framework called the insurance principle to make sure you're not one of them. So what is insurance in crypto? Now it seems like you believe that the responsible thing to do is to manage risk before you start thinking about the rewards. And you're absolutely right. In crypto, insurance isn't a policy you buy. It's about the infrastructure you choose from the very beginning. How devastating would it be to see your hard-earned savings disappear overnight because the proper insurance wasn't in place? It happens all the time, and it's completely preventable. Your insurance is asking the right questions. Who actually owns my assets? What happens if the platform gets hacked or goes bankrupt? Is the platform properly licensed and regulated? If you can't answer these questions, you're living in an uninsured house. And this brings us to the idea of asymmetric risk. With the right setup, your downside is limited. If you allocate a small percent, let's say 1 to 5% of your portfolio, and it goes to zero, you'll be fine. But the upside is potentially unlimited. If that small allocation grows 10 times, 20 times, or even 100 times over the next decade, it can have a massive impact on your overall wealth. This is where the two levels of insurance come in. So personal grade security is a basic padlock. It's an exchange account or a personal hardware wallet, and you bear all the risks. Institutional grade security is a bank vault. It means licensed, insured custody where your assets are segregated and protected no matter what happens to the platform. So before you invest a single dollar, you must ask, is this platform disappeared tomorrow? Would my assets be safe? So in our next video, we'll dive into the two levels of security you need to understand to protect your assets. I'll see you in the next video.